Why use plastic straw when you have nature sips? Welcome to Nature Sips, where innovations meet sustainability to create a greener, healthier future. In the next 5 minutes, we'll go through visions, missions, and the strategies of this groundbreaking, edible, fruit-based straws. Our vision is to establish ourselves as Malaysia's leading provider of innovative beverage solutions that satisfy our customer needs and enhance their quality of life. While our mission is to deliver biodegradable edible products that preserve the natural taste of fresh fruits while promoting environmental sustainability.
Nature Sips is for eco-conscious and health-minded individuals who care about the planet. Our biodegradable fruit-based straws appeal to millennials Gen Z who are passionate about reducing plastic waste, and it's not just about the planet. Health-conscious consumers love that our straws are natural, non-toxic, and safe for both of them and the environment.
Our unique selling propositions lies in bridging the gap between innovative products and environmental sustainability. We are addressing the global demands for alternatives to single-use plastics that are tasty, practical, and eco-friendly solutions.
Our marketing plan is designed to build a strong connection with eco-conscious individuals who are actively seeking greener solutions. For promotion, we will employ a mix of traditional and digital marketing strategies, including eye-catching billboards in high-traffic areas and engaging social media campaigns. Our ads will emphasize on the dual benefits of our straw and environmental responsibility. Our product price comes with an option for bulk purchases and subscription discount. Nature Sips will be both available in online and retail store to ensure wide accessibility for consumers. While traditional plastic and paper straw dominate the market, Nature Sips stands out more by offering a solution that is biodegradable, edible, and made from natural fruits, making us the leader in this emerging category.
Behind every great idea is a solid financial planning.
Nature Seeds required an estimated startup cost of covering research and development, production equipment, and initial marketing expenses.
Our revenue streams will include direct sales through e-commerce platforms, partnerships with cafes and restaurants, and retail distributions agreements with grocery chains.
With steady demand, we project an annual profit of within the first 3 years, driven by our eco-conscious target audience and also the growing trend toward the sustainable product. The break-even point is expected within the first 18 months thanks to our strategic pricing and efficient production model.
Nature Seed is not a product, it's a new movement for a better future. Join us in making every seed sustainable. Nature Seeds, small choice, big impact.